Right now, President Donald Trump is in a legal battle after his administration deported people they're accusing of being immigrant gang members.
Sources tell ABC News the administration chose to ignore a federal judge's directive to turn the planes around.
ABC's Perry Russum has you covered on the 18th century law the president is relying on for those deportations.
Major questions today about President Trump invoking the Alien Enemies Act. It's the first time that act has been used since World War II. A showdown between President Trump and the federal court over his deportation of hundreds of alleged immigrant gang members.
We removed terrorists. That should be a celebration. We removed terrorists from this country, and I stand by what the president did.
The Trump administration flying 2 planes carrying immigrants to El Salvador. This video shared by El Salvador's president shows alleged members of the Tren de Aragua gang arriving there over the weekend. The ACLU suing the Trump administration, leading to an emergency hearing on Saturday. Sources say the planes took off during the hearing before the judge ruled any plane containing these folks that is going to take off or is in the air needs to be returned to the United States.
We are not saying at this point that the government defied the court order, but we are saying there are serious reasons to potentially think that they did.
Sources tell ABC News the administration chose to ignore the judge's directive to turn the planes around. Trump asked whether his administration complied with the order.
I don't know. You have to speak to the lawyers about it.
Questions remain over the legality of Trump invoking the Alien Enemies Act of 1798, last used during World War II.
In many respects, it's more dangerous than war because, in war they have uniforms. You know who you're shooting at. You know who you're going after. These are people that came out. They're walking our streets.
The ACLU says the act is intended to be used against a nation that has either declared war against the U.S. or has invaded the U.S., and the ACLU says that has not happened. The Trump administration says it did not violate the order. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.